Nature Break, Health in Nature. Hi, boys and girls. When God created the earth, He created many things that will make us strong, healthy, and happy. I'm so excited to share that with you today. So put your thumbs up for a nature break. Our Father in heaven is the source of life, of wisdom, and of joy. Look at the wonderful and beautiful things of nature. Do you ever feel tired and that you have no energy? Well, food in the body is like gas in the car. It gives us energy to go. The best foods may not be sugary or sweet, but the best food is what God made on the third day of creation. Fruits, nuts, vegetables, grains, and plant proteins. I really enjoy strawberries. They're so sweet and juicy. Drinking water is also good for our body. It's good for our bones, our joints, our teeth. It helps blood circulate in our body and helps us maintain a healthy weight. On the fourth day of creation, God created the sun. Do you like going outside and getting fresh air and sunshine? It is so healthy for us. It boosts our immune system to help us from getting sick. It gives us vitamin D. It reduces our stress to make us happy. And it improves our sleep. And when we rest, we have plenty of energy to exercise. Exercise is also good for the body. It keeps us healthy and strong. In Proverbs 17:22, it says, "A joyful heart is the health of the body." Aren't you happy that God made so many things in nature to keep your body healthy? Well, that's all for Nature Break. See you next time. Blessings.